Last time, on SV Full Send, we show part 1 of our sail drive maintenance by removing our sail drive and attempting to clean it before we run into an issue with worn drive shaft bearings. With 4 weeks to wait on parts, we begin with other chores that Full Send needs before we splash back into the water.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Well, we had our one-way valve, the joker valve, for the head. There's a hole in it, so basically it would flush everything out after its maceration. But then all the brown crap would come back in as brown water. So what we did is we ordered 2 backup ones. We're going to install one now. Basically just making sure the crappy water doesn't come back into the bowl and we actually have like the seawater there instead.
So you're supposed to be able to look through it and it doesn't, you can't see anything, but this is the way it looks now. You can see it's kind of all cracked out of there. Toss that guy.
And then this guy right here, where if you look at it, it's a little different. Or if you,
Yeah, they said little slivers. Just don't pinch it. There you go. Yeah. So that should be good. It attaches here on the side. Right in this guy, and this attaches right in the side. And this guy goes here, and then the tubes come out. But I had to take all that out because it doesn't really hold in there well. But I'm gonna put it in now. Almost every morning, this freaking chicken climbs up on top of the boat. That chicken's trying to get in. Look at it. That chicken's here. Yeah, I just got it on film. Get out of here, chicken. He climbed up really quick this time. He's trying to get inside. Alright, we are going to the air show.
Blue Angels, baby!
Woo-woo. Yeah.
America.
Leslie, how many fighter jets are we going to see today?
All of them.
All of them. Exciting day. It's the air show in Jax Beach, Jacksonville Beach. We're still a little hungover. A little bit.
Yeah. We almost overslept, but we made it.
Yep. Woke up at 1:12 p.m. We had to celebrate.
We've been here all day. We watched all of them.
Yeah, we watched everything. Everyone jumped on a plane.
What are we talking about?
We had to celebrate taking the sail drive out.
Yeah.
Properly. Look how close they are. Here they are. Woo! Wow. So, swim ladder caps have been off since we bought the boat. We always cut ourselves on them all the time whenever we're coming up the ladder. So we bought some new ones. Bought some new ones right here. They weren't exactly the easiest to find. It was easy to just measure and get sizing, but not too many places had them. But we found an online distributor and had them sent, and should just be a quick fix. Just chiseled away. Had to hammer it in a bit, but she comes right out. Looks similar to those. All right. Set the screw in, or you gotta pop that in. Maybe I should lube it up a little. Sprayed some old WD-40 on it. Tapped it, and it went right in. And I just need to put the bolt back in. Get some of that WD-40 on there. And these nuts help preserve them. Yeah, this one's a little bit bent. I can't. Took a bit more banging, but got it in. Now just gonna line these guys up, bolt back in. You see this one's perfect. And finito. One last thing.
Alright, in Palatka, Florida. Home of the world's, or Florida's oldest, not the world's, Florida's oldest diner, Angel's. 1932. See what it's got to offer.
Just got done getting some rabies shots and some
Yeah.
typhoids and stuff at the VA. So driving back from Palatka, Florida. An old train.
Got a little cheeseburger, little combo platter here.
2 thumbs up. It's good food. Good milkshake.
Yeah, not bad. Just like they did it back in the 50s and the 60s, the way you remember.
So we got a Raspberry Pi, which is like a little mini computer, and we are going to make our own chart plotter with it. And reading some stuff online. It's pretty cool. We got the Raspberry Pi 4 with 4 gigabytes of RAM and then a touch LCD screen. So now I'm trying to figure out how to put it together. I don't know where the instructions are to put this case on, but I'm going to have to figure that out. And what we should be able to do is plug in our depth sounder, the wind vane, everything like that, and it'll all go into it. Otherwise, we've got this old one that we need to update this chip, which I don't even know if it does, if they give it anymore. But look at this memory card. 2 gig, look how big that is, from Navionics. So hoping to get a new one. It's a little bit more user-friendly and modern for a fraction of the cost. And that, all this was $80, so not too bad. But I'll try to figure that out now. So we got a Kunin 7-inch LCD display. Doing that, I don't know if that's because of the power. It comes with a USB powered cable, part of the package, like the $40 part of it, and then the case comes with it. So trying to figure out how to assemble this first, and then we'll dive into the Raspberry Pi and all its components.
The one where like just shows like 100 plotter.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go click on,
Playing with our system here.
and I've already put in
New
the
LCD
password
screen.
because I've done this previously in a different
Yeah,
setup.
buddy.
So it's already remembered my password.
I'll figure out the Open Plotter software though.
Code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's not quite booting up.
It's just gonna go ahead and
So-
connect to that. It is
So,
good.
last night, buddy that's done bucket list with us, Drew, and his buddy Brad came in on their 35 footer, and they're going to be selling it to raise some kitty for another adventure on a 43 footer that they got up in Annapolis, Maryland. So they just brought this one down from Maryland, but just pulled it out, and here it is. Morning, morning.
guys?
What up?
This is Brad and Drew.
We made it out.
They got out. They just knock on.
It's a rude awakening.
Yeah. We're going under. Bottom looks really good. Like nothing on there.
Yeah. That's where we hit now.
Ah, yeah. Hell yeah. So coming into the long-term storage lot where Brad and Drew have gotten place. That's a cool paint job on that World one. So I was wondering who owned this section. It's pretty far back from the main. Getting set up on the stilts now.
What's up? Why are we selling it? It's got 2 more. Yeah.
What's going on?
Check out the whip.
Yeah.
That's the work
Did you
truck.
see the old one?
No.
They got the old one up there.
Oh, really? I gotta see that.
I told you to look to the right in the text. It's like this, but like older.
They say it still works or not even?
No, it's like the 80s version.
Yeah, it's like the 80s version.
I love it.
This looks like a
Hey, it's still working, man. Look at the
duct tape on the windshield.
Yeah. You guys got all your pictures and everything to put online? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So you guys have seen the other shitmobile. This is the retired one back from the 80s.
Just hacked off van.
Yeah. This was the first go at it. As you can see, pretty much everything is out of here. I wonder if it would actually turn over.
Is the key in there?
Yeah, the key is in there. No, it just goes in a circle.
Jesus. Well,
Yeah, there you go. Green Cove Springs.
so cost of all these boat parts, and we'll get into what's happening with the sail drive in a second. But yeah, we decided we were gonna go donate plasma.
Get some like 50 or 75 bucks to start, and then 50 for each time you do it. And I think you're allowed to do it, what, 2 times a week?
2 times a week within 7 days.
So we're like, oh great, this will help pay for some of the, boat parts and repairs that we have. And then unfortunately, he went through and was getting screened in vaccines. So if you get certain vaccines, you're not allowed to donate plasma.
It's the live vaccines they're worried about, and the one that
Yeah.
tripped them off is we both just got rabies.
Yeah.
And so we have to wait 12 months before we can donate for that. So
So
our next, we're going to try to donate semen,
yeah,
sperm.
sperm donors. See
And then-
if we'll fit the requirements on that one.
Yeah. We heard you can make quite a bit of money for doing that. It'd be funny to have little genetic halves of us running around that we don't know about. But yeah.
We are Fort Caroline National Museum, Tuacahn Historic Preserve. Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I relied on the
All right.
That's where there's a free dock.
Headed to the fort, right?
Yeah, head of the fort. So this is the landing site of the French in America, and a war broke out between the Spanish, and it was a war of who was going to either bake croissants or empanadas here. And the Spanish ended up slaughtering a bunch of Frenchmen here, and they had to take their bakery and all their croissants and baguettes back to France.
There's tapas from then on out for a little while.
And St. Augustine was founded after that. And, as you saw in a previous episode, that's what happened there.
Yeah.
Apparently this isn't the actual fort. They don't know where the site's actually at on the St. John's Bluffs here, but they built a recreation based on maps and stuff of what they think it looks like, bakery and all.
Yeah.
They wanted to help.
These are the ovens that they had.
Where they cooked the baguettes and croissants.
Yeah. They didn't want it inside because they didn't want to burn it down the fort. Safety first, I guess. That'd be cool. Definitely looks like kind of. I wonder what they thought of the alligators, those first settlers. Like, what is this beast?
Yeah.
Doing a little construction over there. I don't know if that would necessarily be the smartest thing, but you know, I guess that's what you do in the 1600s. Death, survival, and revenge. Alright, see you later, Fort Caroline.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and help support us on Patreon.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.